Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to steam a very beautiful free-range chicken here. This is actually ma chao ji, one of my favorite chicken. Very nice chicken flavor and it is not really too tough. To me, that is the best combination. Okay, so I have cut the free-range chicken. This is half of the free-range chicken here, probably about 1.1 or to 1.2 kg. And I have cut it into big chunks. Today I'm going to steam it using some Shaoxing wine, and also I'm going to make some fried ginger to put on top of it. Right, so first of all we need to marinate the chicken with some fine salt first, yeah? Give it a little bit of fine salt. And give it a little bit of white pepper. Okay. Give it some Shaoxing wine. And I want to give it some filtered water so that later I can have a bit more chicken stock. So I can have chicken and soup at the same time. Yeah. Then I'll be putting some ginger slices on top. And we can now send this to the steamer. All right, my steamer has been preheated to 100 degrees Celsius. Carefully, we put in the chicken. And let's steam it for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Then it is almost done. I'm going to fry the ginger. First, let's give it some oil. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the ginger slices. Appa's cutting skill is not that fantastic, but when you are cutting julienne ginger, try to cut them into even sizes lah. Try your best. So no need to be very rushed. Use medium or medium low to slowly saute this ginger until golden brown. It shouldn't take very long, just a couple of minutes will do. We'll come back shortly. So this is about 3-4 minutes under medium low heat. I think this is good enough. So I'm going to set this ginger aside. Do I want to keep the ginger oil? I'll decide later. But I think I will just keep the ginger slices aside first. Okay, here's the ginger slices. Now, always separate the ginger oil with this, because if you keep the ginger oil together here, it will actually continue cooking, and then probably it may even burn some of your ginger slices. Keep it separately. All right, this is after about 20 minutes. Wow! Are you seeing what I'm seeing here? Look at how beautiful the chicken is. Let me zoom in for you. Look at how beautiful it is, and all the beautiful golden chicken soup. Actually, those beautiful golden color come from the chicken fat. I know a lot of you will throw away the chicken fat, but trust me, leave some there, because the natural sweetness from the chicken is actually from the chicken fat. So here's my beautiful steamed chicken. Let me remove all the ginger slices here. We're going to replace this ginger with some fried ginger. Don't worry about chicken fat seriously, because animal fat is actually very natural and very healthy. At least a lot more healthier than the oil, the cooking oil that we are using, which has been processed. Yeah, these are natural fats. So these are some of the fried ginger just now. And I will give it some fried garlic as well. Last but not least, I will garnish it with some fresh coriander. Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Abba Facebook page to click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Abba YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.